से धीरे से हौले से.
Hey yo, I saw him at the bar. He ordered a cognac liquor. Boy looked like a superstar, but not the type of man to cause drama. You know I go for the ghetto types. Rude boy with style, minus the hype. धीरे से वो मुझे बोले hi, and we can go and do all the things you like.
धीरे से हौले से छूले सदा तू आजा मेरी जान ले ले मजा. Desire the fire, I want it right now. It's your love and baby I can't live without. धीरे से हौले से छूले सदा तू आजा मेरी जान ले ले मजा. Desire the fire, I want it right now. It's your love and baby I can't live without.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I can't believe it's fall, but the weather today is glorious. It's warm and sunny, and we decided to take advantage of this great weather by spending some time outdoors. I've decided to take along a delicious tandoori chicken. Who doesn't love tandoori chicken? But this recipe is stellar. It's made the way it's supposed to be, completely from scratch and with a lot of love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload a ton of videos every week, and ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get grilling. I'm going to start by preparing 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks. Mine still has the skin on, so using a piece of paper or kitchen towel, I'm just going to grab the skin and tug at it. The skin should come right off. Tandoori can really be made out of any part of the chicken: drumsticks, thigh, wings, or breast. I've even made a tandoori turkey. In addition to poultry, you can also make tandoori shrimp or fish. Once all the drumsticks have been skinned, I'm going to use my knife to make deep slits or gashes in the legs. Cutting right through the bone will ensure that the marinade goes right through, and it's also going to help the chicken cook faster. To get maximum flavor out of my tandoori, I'm going to marinate it twice. The first marinade is simple: juice of half a lime, a generous pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to rub this into the chicken, and I'm going to go right into the slits. I like to allow this to rest for a minimum of 1 hour. In the meantime, we're going to be making the tandoori marinade. I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri Chilli powder, a half teaspoon of dried fenugreek, also known as Kasuri methi. I'm going to rub this between my fingers to wake up the flavor. I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of ground pepper, a half teaspoon of coriander powder, a half teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of garam masala, and a half teaspoon of chaat masala. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black salt. This is either a grayish or pink color, and it gives a great umami flavor. It's used a lot in chaats, etc., but you can also use regular salt if you can't find this. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. And finally, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and mix everything well together. Although this looks great, tandoori is well known for its red color. So I'm going to add a little bit of red food coloring just to get that nice vibrant red color. I'm using about 1/8 of a teaspoon of this food coloring, and I'm going to mix it in. Pour this over your chicken drumsticks and get all the marinade right into the meat. I have a half cup here of minced green chili and coriander, and I'm going to take a little bit of it and stuff it into the slits of the drumsticks for that extra flavor.
Desire the fire, I want it right now. It's your love and baby I can't live without.
going to transfer this to some Tupperware and into my fridge it goes to marinate overnight. The next day, it's ready to get onto my preheated and oiled grill. Depending on the temperature of your grill, mine is at 500 degrees. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Tandoori chicken is typically cooked in a tandoor, which is how it got its name, but a barbecue is going to give you great results as well. To baste, I just mix some mustard oil with some regular oil, and I'm going to baste the cooked side of the chicken.
Hey yo, I saw him at the bar. He ordered a cognac liquor. Boy looked like a superstar, but not the type of man to cause drama. You know I go for the ghetto types. Rude boy with style minus the hype. Dheere se wo mujhe bole hi, and we can go and do all the things you like. मैं तेनू कहंदी आ, तेरा दिल लेंदी आ, और उसके बदले में कि जो मैं देंदी आ. And it's been way too long. Feelings can't be wrong. Come on, touch me. This is where I belong. मैं सारी दुनिया छड़ के और तेरा हाथ पकड़ के जब मैं देखा तेनू दिल मेरा धड़के धड़के तू वादा लेके आना चलूं मैं जाने जाना जहाँ तू मुझको बोले तेरा प्यार है मुझको पाना धीरे से होले से छूले ज़रा.
What an unexpected day to enjoy this great treat. We sang and danced and generally had a blast.
Hey yo, I saw him at the bar. He ordered a cognac liquor. Boy looked like a superstar, but not the type of man to cause drama. You know I go for the ghetto types. Rude boy with style minus the hype. Dheere se wo mujhe bole hi, and we can go and do all the things you like. मैं तेनू कहंदी आ, तेरा दिल लेंदी आ, और उसके बदले में कि जो मैं देंदी आ. And it's been way too long. Feelings can't be wrong. Come on, touch me. This is where I belong. मैं सारी दुनिया छड़ के और तेरा हाथ पकड़ के जब मैं देखा तेनू दिल मेरा धड़के धड़के तू वादा लेके आना चलूं मैं जाने जाना जहाँ तू मुझको बोले तेरा प्यार है मुझको पाना
धीरे से होले से छूले ज़रा तू आजा मेरी जान ले ले मज़ा desire the fire I want it.
And don't forget to enter my special giveaway. I am giving away a box of my favorite ingredients. All you have to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Kravings and you will be entered for your chance to win. All of these details are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me in Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for tandoori chicken. Sometimes I take the shortcut method, but when I'm really in the mood, I like to make it the way it's supposed to be made. Please share my channel and my videos with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And do tell me what you think. I love to hear from you, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.